and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Apple AirPods Pro. But before we get into it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any new notifications. Alright, let's get into the video. So starting off, we have some user docs. Here are the AirPods themselves. And we are also given 4 different pairs of silicone covers with different sizes. Now right here we have the lightning cable. You can just plug this in and it'll charge up your AirPods. But if you prefer a wireless option, the AirPods are also MagSafe and compatible with the Apple Watch charger, which is basically wireless. Now here is a better look at the silicone coverings. There's different sizes such as extra small, small, and large. Alright, so here is the case itself. Now the AirPod case has a 30-hour battery life and it's compatible with Apple Charge as well as the lightning cable. Now within the case is the UI chip, and this makes Find My more precise. On the bottom is the charging port and speakers, and on the side is the lanyard loop. And don't forget the case is also sweat and water resistant, so you don't have to worry about getting it wet. Alright, so getting into the AirPods themselves, they have a 6-hour battery life and 2 times more active noise cancellation than the first generation. This is all because of the H2 chip, which is Apple designed. It allows for a custom driver and amplifier, which helps with the deeper bass and crisper highs. Not only that, but the computational algorithms help with the noise cancellation and 3D sound. Now, the chip allows for reduced noise at 48,000 times per second. The AirPods themselves also have an inward-facing microphone, and this allows for an algorithm, which is basically a voice enhancement, and this makes your voice sound more natural on calls. Also on the AirPods, you have a rear vent, and this basically detects the noise and counters it before it reaches the ear and allows for that noise cancellation. Now we also have touch control on these AirPods, so up and down would be volume, and play/pause or answer and hang up would just be tapping. Not only that, but you can hold to switch from noise cancellation to noise transparency. Alright guys, so overall, the AirPods Pro worked extremely well. Now, I do recommend being cautious when using the noise cancellation outside, as you do want to be aware of everything that's happening, but the noise cancellation worked extremely well. It canceled out all the noise and it did mute some of the louder ones. And other than that, the 3D sound worked perfectly, and it was super easy to both charge and connect the AirPods to my devices. So overall, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any new notifications, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!